Hello everyone. Just a video on number formations that we are going to work on getting our numbers written in the right direction. So I will go over this quickly. A number 1, how do we hold our pencil? Our thumb and our middle finger, and then we're resting the rest of our fingers on there. For a number 1, move over a little. It's from the top baseline to bottom baseline. Pick up your pencil. No extra little marks on there, just like that. 2, we are going to start at 10 on the clock. Curve up to the top baseline, pulling your pencil down, making a slant stroke over to the baseline, and then a dash stroke in the direction we read and write. 3, we start out just like a 2, pulling it down to the middle dotted line. We are going in the direction we read and write. 4, top baseline to middle dotted line, pulling it over and then picking up your pencil to the top baseline to baseline. 5, top baseline to middle dotted line, and then we make a big fat belly. The kids really like that and think it's so funny. And then we put a hat on it. 6, we start at the top baseline, pulling it all the way down to 8, and then curving back up to the middle dotted line, and then reconnecting. 7, making a stroke over in the direction we read and write, and then a slant stroke back in the opposite direction we read and write. 8, we start at 2 on the clock. We are going to actually make a letter S and then connect it. So if we were to make a capital S, it would look like this. And then I do not pick up my pencil, and I just make a dash stroke in the direction we read and write to connect it. A number 9, not to get confused with the letter P. The letter P is a line stroke letter and then the clock stroke. For the 9, we make a clock stroke and then pull your pencil down to the baseline. 0 is just like making the letter O, but a big capital letter O, starting at 2 on the clock, curving around, and then reconnecting. Okay, this is your number formation. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0 to work on. This is how they should be written. Practicing that, I will upload a worksheet so you can practice tracing or writing them on your own. You guys are amazing.